車、輕鐵及港鐵巴士服務會維持有限度服務，班次會較疏。若天氣惡化或天文台發出9號烈風或暴風增強信號，地面或架空路段的鐵路及港鐵巴士服務將會在未能預先通知下即時暫停。請留意港鐵網站、NTR Mobile 智能手機應用程式、電台及電視台的最新車務資訊，敬請體諒。Your attention please. The Hong Kong Observatory has announced that the Gale or Storm Signal number 8 is now issued. Train, light rail, and NTR bus service are now operating at limited frequency. Service will be suspended without notice on open or above ground sections of the railway and roads if the weather conditions deteriorate or the increasing gale or storm signal number 9 is issued. Please keep up to date with the information provided in the NTR website, NTR mobile apps, radio, and TV broadcasts. Thank you for your understanding. 請注意，香港天文台公佈，稍後將改發3號颱風信號。港鐵正逐步加密列車、輕鐵及港鐵巴士服務班次。Your attention please. The Hong Kong operator has announced that the storm wind signal number 3 will be east the nation. MTR is stepping up its rail, light rail, and MTR